What's up, guys? In this video, I'm going to be talking about the AA Creator Badge. If you do not know what that badge is, it is the new Tier 1 Creator Badge. Which Tier 1 means A Creator Badge Tier 1, Finger Painter Tier 2, Illustrator Tier 3. The Finger Painter now has restrictions, so that's why I'm going to be going on to the AA Creator Badge. Am I making this video so I can probably get the AA Creator Badge? Yeah, most likely. Am I also making this video because I haven't posted in a while? Yeah. But I'm also going to be talking about pretty much everything you need to know about the AA Creator Badge. Starting off with how you get it. I'm pretty sure I already kind of talked about it. You have to be a Gorilla Tag creator. It's the Tier 1 badge. But how to apply for it is something I didn't talk about. So, what you're gonna want to do is, first of all, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go into the link I put in the description, and then you're going to want to apply for the A Creator Badge in all of the different ways they're gonna want to tell you, such as your email, your YouTube channel, where you live, your country, don't worry, your country, and maybe some stuff you would like to share. I didn't do that because I'm lazy. I didn't. But yeah. Also, I think it's in a similar thing as the finger painter. So yeah, I think it's like that. You have to get all selected, but I don't know if that's all. My mind is kind of foggy, so I'm gonna go think some more. Never mind, I think that might be all, so please like and subscribe. It's my first time using a green screen, so. And new fit check! Yeah! Oh, yeah. Daily Bible verse.